In this video, I will show you how you can use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Display. Under the Display settings, if you scroll down, you will find the option for Edge Panel. Now just tap on it and enable this toggle. After you do that, then just scroll down and tap on Panels. Now from here, just swipe to the left side and look for the Tools section. Now just tap on it and select it. After you select the Tools section, then just go to your home screen and look for the Edge Panel at the side of your Samsung phone. As you can see, our Edge Panel is on the upper right side of our Samsung phone. Now just swipe from the side of the screen and open the Edge Panel. Now just swipe one more time and you will open the built-in compass. From here, just tap on Next. Now if you want to calibrate the compass, just tap on Calibrate. Now just move your phone in an infinity shape and you will calibrate your compass. And by using this built-in compass, you can check your direction. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.